Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen, and today we are going to celebrate the Feast of Assumption. August 15, the Catholic Church and the Greek and the Orthodox Church celebrates the same feast. What do we mean by Assumption? The Blessed Virgin Mary lived 12 years after Christ assumed into heaven, and for him to join with his mother, so she falls asleep and he receives his soul. So it's kindly like they call it as a dormition of the Virgin Mary, or to fall asleep, or you can call it as the death of Virgin Mary. And so this is the little history of it. And also the third day, when they went back to the tomb and they found only flowers, but the body was missing. So today, and we are going to celebrate this by providing a new recipe, which is called Medu Vadai, or the Urad Dhal croquette. So let's get into the kitchen without delay. The main ingredients to make this vadai or croquette, the main ingredients for this is Urad Dhal. I have taken 1 cup of Urad Dhal, and I have approximately about 3 inches or more ginger finely chopped, and I have half onion finely chopped, salt to taste, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and freshly chopped green curry leaves, and I have also the green chilies, which is not ready yet. I'll be putting on later. I'll show you. So for this, we have to soak this Urad Dhal for 4 hours at least, and then we have to grind it. So I already have pre-soaked the Urad Dhal over here, and we are going to drain off the water, and we are going to use very, very less water to grind this into a batter. So let's see how we are going to do it. I'm going to do 2 batches. And now I'm going to grind them without water. Bottom grains are being grounded, so we have to push them down and continue grinding. At this point, I'll add a little bit of water, approximately about 3 tablespoons. 1, 2, balanced down and continue grinding. We still have to grind them. I don't see all of them as grounded, so we have to grind them more. It needs a little water. well at this point. Now I'm going to transfer them into a different bowl. Dear viewers, I have already grounded the vadai batter. So now I'm going to check how is the vadai batter by using in the water. I'll drop off a small amount of the batter and I'm going to see if it floats or not. This is how you test. It's a little dense, so we are going to whip it to make it to have the air moving into the batter. So you whip it approximately about 10 minutes and I'll show you again how the batter is. So I have whipped the batter for 5 minutes continuously and I'm going to do another test. It's almost the same, but it's okay. We can start off frying them by mixing them and the other ingredients. To begin with, I'm going to add the green chili. I have 2 green chilies over here, finely chopped. 1 sprig of curry leaves, finely chopped. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Finely chopped ginger. And as according to my mom used to say that the more ginger that you add in, it tastes better. So I have added extra a little bit. And I'm going to mix this up. And at this point, I'm going to add the onions. For those who are vegetarians and who can't take onions, please avoid onions. And you can replace with extra ginger. And many of you have asked me privately, why am I just demonstrating vegetarian or vegan dishes but not non-veg? I have to admit, I'm a non-veg. I prefer to eat vegetarian, and also this channel named is Friday Friendly Kitchen. So in my faith that I believe in, we do not eat meat on Fridays. So, and this is the video that basically for Friday menu ideas. So now I'm going to add salt, and I'll be back. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon and 1.5 teaspoon of salt. And I've already preheated the oil for frying. So soon, I am not good in making donuts, but I'm going to make something similar, which I've watched on some of the videos, and I'm going to follow the same method. So the batter is ready. So let's get into the frying pan. I'm going to check if the oil is already been heated up. So I'm just going to drop a little bit of the batter into it, and it's good. So we could start flattening them and dropping them out. So for that, I'm going to use an ice cream scoop. Dear viewers, my apologies. I tried rounding them, I failed. So the easiest way is the smallest ice cream scoop, and I've already scooped out and scoop them in. So Medu Vada is not on the original shape. Make sure you have your heat on the medium. And we'll continue frying later. So halfway through, just flip them over. And fry them till it is golden brown. So this is now I'm going to take. It sounds like it's already been cooked inside and outside, so I can remove them right now. So I'm going to do the next batch. Hello viewers, and here is the dal croquette, and which I have made it over here, and I have some idlis and sambar too, and a glass of tea, which you can see, which is like a breakfast combo or even a dinner combo. So this is for this particular feast, August 15. So Mary assumed into heaven to join in with her son in glory. So let us celebrate this feast on August 15 this year gladly by trying out this trying out this vadai, and see how it turns out in your homes. So do leave your comment below and subscribe to the channel. And I just wanted to let you know the image over here, it's the Dormition or the falling of sleep of Mary, and you can see her body, and he picked up the soul like a little child. So I will just zoom up closely, and you can see the picture very clearly. Thank you and happy feast day. Queen assumed into heaven, pray for us.